Tired of juggling client contact information across multiple spreadsheets? Wish there was a simpler way to manage your client database outside of Vagaro? You're not alone. In this video, we'll explore the ins and outs of exporting client data from Vagaro, so you can easily transfer it to other platforms, back it up for safekeeping, or simply gain a better overview of your clientele. Let's face it, client data is the lifeblood of any successful business. Whether you're a salon owner, a massage therapist, or a fitness instructor, your client list is invaluable. Vagaro is a fantastic platform for managing appointments, scheduling, and even point-of-sale transactions. But what happens when you need to access that client data outside of Vagaro? Perhaps you're considering switching to a new booking system, need to integrate your client list with your email marketing software, or simply want to create a backup of your valuable client information. Exporting your client data from Vagaro is crucial for these scenarios and many more. However, navigating the export process within Vagaro can sometimes feel a bit confusing. That's why we're here to guide you through the steps, making the process as smooth and straightforward as possible. Benefits of exporting clients. Before we dive into the technicalities, let's quickly explore some of the key benefits of exporting your client data. Data backup. Exporting your client data regularly creates a valuable backup. This safeguards your information against potential data loss due to technical glitches, unforeseen circumstances, or even account suspensions. Data portability. If you're considering switching to a new booking or business management system, exporting your client data allows for seamless transfer. You can easily import your client information into the new platform, saving you time and effort. Data analysis and segmentation. Exported client data can be analyzed and segmented using spreadsheet software like Excel or Google Sheets. This allows you to identify key demographics, service preferences, and spending habits. This valuable information can be used to tailor your marketing efforts, improve customer service, and increase revenue. Client integration. Exporting your client data enables seamless integration with other business tools. You can easily import your client list into your email marketing platforms like MailChimp or Constant Contact, allowing you to send targeted promotions and stay connected with your clients. Enhanced client management. Having your client data readily available in a spreadsheet format can significantly improve your overall client management. You can easily search for specific clients, track their appointment history, and identify areas for improvement in your service offerings. As you can see, exporting your client data from Vagaro offers a multitude of benefits that can significantly enhance your business operations and overall success. Step-by-step guide to exporting clients. Now, let's get down to the nitty-gritty and explore the step-by-step process of exporting your client data from Vagaro. Log into your Vagaro account. The first step is to log into your Vagaro account using your username and password. Navigate to the Clients tab. Once logged in, locate and click on the Clients tab. This will display a list of all your clients within the Vagaro system. Select the clients you want to export. You have the option to export all your clients or select specific clients for export. To select specific clients, simply check the boxes next to their names. Click on Export. Once you've selected the desired clients, locate and click on the Export button. This button is typically located within the Clients tab or within the toolbar above the client list. Choose the export format. Vagaro usually offers a few different export formats, such as CSV, comma-separated values, or Excel. CSV is generally the most versatile format as it can be easily opened and imported into various spreadsheet programs. Select the desired export format. Download the exported file. Once you've selected the export format, Vagaro will initiate the export process. A download link will typically appear on the screen. Click on the link to download the exported file to your computer. Open and review the exported file. Open the downloaded file using your preferred spreadsheet software, e.g., Excel, Google Sheets. Review the exported data to ensure that all the necessary information has been exported correctly. That's it. You've successfully exported your client data from Vagaro. You can now utilize this data for various purposes, including data backup, client integration, and data analysis. Tips and considerations. Here are a few additional tips and considerations to keep in mind. Data cleaning. Before exporting your client data, it's a good practice to clean up any inconsistencies or errors within your client records. This ensures that the exported data is accurate and reliable. Data security. Always handle your client data with utmost care and ensure that you're taking appropriate security measures to protect sensitive information. Regular backups. Implement a regular data backup schedule to ensure that your client data is always protected. Vagaro support. If you encounter any difficulties during the export process, don't hesitate to reach out to Vagaro support for assistance. By following these tips and considerations, you can ensure a smooth and successful client data export process. Additional export options, if available. While the core export process remains generally consistent, some Vagaro accounts may offer additional export options or features. Customizable export fields. Some accounts may allow you to customize the fields that are included in the exported file. This allows you to select only the most relevant information, such as client names, phone numbers, email addresses, appointment history, and service preferences. Segmentation options. Advanced accounts may offer segmentation options, allowing you to export specific groups of clients based on criteria such as service history, purchase history, or location. API access. For more advanced users, Vagaro may offer API access, which provides programmatic access to your client data. This can be useful for integrating your client data with other systems or for building custom applications. If your Vagaro account offers any of these advanced features, explore them to further enhance your data export capabilities. Exporting your client data from Vagaro is a crucial step in effectively managing your business. By following the steps outlined in this video, you can easily extract your valuable client information and utilize it for various purposes, including data backup, client integration, and data analysis. Remember to handle your client data responsibly and securely. By implementing a regular data backup schedule and taking appropriate security measures, you can protect your valuable information and ensure the long-term success of your business. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.